Hi everyone, welcome to Calc with Cola. So let's talk about today how we know discontinuities of a function, removable versus non-removable. So removable would be when we have a hole, and then non-removable would be when we have a vertical asymptote. Okay, so we always want to look to see if we have a hole first, and then we'll worry about the asymptote. So step one, we're going to want to factor the top and the bottom. So if you look here, we're going to factor the bottom by dots, and it's going to become x plus 4 and x minus 4. Now you want to look for repeat factors. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look for repeat factors. And when they cross out, we're going to set that factor equal to 0. And that's going to tell us where we have the hole. So x plus 4 repeats on the top and the bottom. Cross it out. That means there is a hole when x is equal to negative 4. Because if you set x plus 4 equal to 0, you're going to get x is equal to negative 4. If we wanted the y value of the hole, we would just plug it into what is remaining, and that's going to give us the y value of the hole. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite what is left. So we're going to look at where we have a vertical asymptote. So if we rewrite this function, the x minus 4 magically does not come onto the top in the numerator. There's still a 1 up top. You cannot forget that. And then we're left with x minus 4. So vertical asymptote is when the function is undefined. A function is undefined, specifically a fraction, when the denominator is equal to 0. So now when we set that equal to 0, we can see that at x equals 4, we are going to have a vertical asymptote. If you don't do it in this order, you are going to get it wrong. So the hole was at x equals negative 4, okay? You're looking for repeat factors that cross out, and you're setting the factor equal to 0. And then the vertical asymptote was at x equals 4. You're looking to see where the denominator of the fraction is equal to 0, because we're looking to see when the function is undefined. You also look for a vertical asymptote after you look for the hole.